Alright guys, we're back out here the next day. We're gonna get this thing washed and see what this thing looks like when it's clean. Today we came out and we took all the blue wrap off of this. This whole pillar was all blue, including the other side. There was a bunch of little blue wrap up tucked in here, so we took the razor and some Goo Gone and just scraped it all off. It took us a good amount of time. We had to sand some wrap off here that was really stuck on. So enjoy this couple clips. Here she is, all cleaned up. Looks pretty good. Cleaned up nice. Get it ready for paint pretty soon. Getting the seats out now. Thing's pretty filthy, so we're about to vacuum it, clean the interior. As soon as this knucklehead's done cleaning his car, gotta get another vacuum. But here's the interior. I don't know, what do you guys think? One seat? Should I rock the one seat? Got the back, or keep it four-seater for the summertime? Alright guys, there it is with both the seats out. Pretty nasty in here. Got a lot of work to do, so I just leave those in and scrub them down where they are. Make this interior look pretty good. Interior's all detailed up. Got the center console trims in there. Looks awesome. Stuff like that makes a big difference. Forgot an outro, but come back next week for the next video. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff to the engine bay, so stay tuned. See you guys next week.